Hi everyone, this is Jane here. Apologies again for not having been around and showing a lot of different crafty things. Again, not been too well, so had to just sort of do what I could. But I have been working on a journal. This is a kind of gothic-y. It could be gothic-y, it could be more of a love journal, it could be a vampire-y style journal. I've put lots of different ephemera into here, so you could swap it about and use it. You know, if you wanted to go more down the vampire route, there's stuff for that. If you wanted to go more gothic-y, there's stuff for that. So it's a kind of use it how you will kind of journal, really. But it's the usual little mini journal. And I will show you, there's a couple of little crafty tricks in here that I'll show you how to do as well as I'm going through this. So it won't just be like a flip through. So these are my own digitals that I designed. It's got a little bookmark in it. It's the usual kind of style. It's decorated, but it's not so full up that you can't put your own stuff in it. There's loads of room to write, loads of room to doodle, loads of little pockets, little pouches, stickers, all kinds of different little things in here. So I won't go through every single page. We'll leave that so that people can discover what's in here if they decide they would like to. I love this little envelope. Bought those. I could make those, but I actually bought them. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open one out so that I've got a template, and then I'll be able to make my own much more easily. So that will be good. I've done a little bit of doodling, a little bit of stamping, all sorts going on. It's the usual, it's got 3 signatures. Lots of stencils, little envelopes, there's pouches. A little bit of a collage. Okay, so this is the first page I've kind of marked to show you a little technique that I saw. I actually saw it on Pam at the Paper Outposts channel. So lots of you have probably seen this before because I know a lot of people follow her. But if you haven't, I'll try and put the link down below to what she did. But just to quickly show you what she did. Whereabouts have I put that? I need my sellotape, and I thought I'd got that. I thought I brought that out here with me to show you. Might have to save that for another day because I don't think I've got the sellotape that I need to be able to show you it with. How strange. I literally had that here to do it with. Oh, I have got it here to do it with. I'm going mad. I'm going mad. Okay, so what you need to do is a bit of clear sellotape. I use the Scotch tape, which has the kind of matte feeling to it. You don't have to. You can use the shiny one, the completely clear one, entirely up to you. So what we did was I had a page. I'm just using a scrap to show this, so hopefully it's going to work. And what I did was I put down the sellotape. Let me just move this out of the way for a second so I can be sure that I'm on the camera. and you kind of press it down onto the page. Now, there is an optimum amount of pressage. So you don't want to press it so hard that you're going to completely rip the paper. And this is an old book, so, you know, you've got to be a bit careful. But you want to press it down hard enough so that you actually start to pull off the words. And then what you're left with is a matte see-through bit of book page that is actually on a piece of tape, so you can stick that. You obviously the stick's gone off of this bit, so you'd need to glue that and then put it down on your page. So I just thought that was a really fun technique. Gives you something a little bit different with your book page, and that's what I used here, as you can see. So that was the first thing that I wanted to show you. Really cool. I've had a lot of fun with that. You can do it with any book page. If you're going to do it with an old book page, just be mindful of not pressing it down too much, because the pages are, you know, they're delicate, so you may just have to try not to completely rip the paper. So we're into the last little bit of the book. Loads of room for writing, loads of designs as well. Okay, so I've marked this page as well. So this was another little technique that I wanted to just talk to you about. I'm not actually going to do this time. So because this is kind of like a gothic-y kind of thing, I wanted to try and make sort of like a bit of a ghostly image. So what I did was I've been using some of these stickers. So they're like, you know, Victorian ladies. So when you peel that off to actually put into your book, you're left with one of these, which is the backing sheet off of your sticker. So I thought it'd be really cool to put that down here, which is what I did. I put it here. And then I just use the black ink dauber to go around it. And what you're left with is this kind of like slightly spooky image. Obviously, if you don't want a spooky image or anything like that, you can cover that up with anything you like. But I just thought for a gothic-y style journal, it would be fun. And then what I did to just outline, to make it a little bit clearer, was to just put around some, these are liquid pearls. So you could do that in black. I wanted it to stand out a little bit though. Next time I do it, I might just leave it with the black outline. I don't know, but I just kind of, I thought it was fun. It's definitely something to play with. And it's a really good way of using these little guys. Rather than throw them away, it's another way to use up your junk. So that's quite a fun little technique. I really enjoyed that. So there's all the rest of it is. There we go. It's little clusters, little pockets, little doodles, little stencils, little stamps. So lots going on in the gothic stroke tarot stroke vampire journal. Make of it what you want it to be. It will be up in my Etsy shop over the next couple of days. Probably by the time this video goes up, it'll be up there. So I'll put the link down below. Feel free to have a look and see what you think. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye for now. Oh, if you have liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a share, all of those good things. Subscribe if you like this sort of thing for more. I'm really hoping to be able to get back to putting up more different techniques and fun stuff over the next few weeks. Hopefully I'm going to feel a bit better. So fingers crossed to be able to do that. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.